So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and let's check out what has happened in the market today and what are the expectations on Monday. So let's hear what has happened on the Sensex at the closing bell. So Sensex takes a running win, ended 257 points up, Nifty tops 14,800, Bajaj Hind rises by 15%, SRF down 8%, HDFC Twins and ITC lead the market gains. Index contributors were HDFC Bank, ITC, Airtel and HUL, Hindustan Unilever. Top index gainers, Bajaj Financial Services 2.62%, M&M 2.52%, HDFC 2.46%. Top index losers were Bajaj Auto 2% down, Bajaj Finance 0.9% down, Infosys 0.6% down. S&P BSE Metal, biggest sectoral gainer, up by 5.29%. S&P BSE Consumer Durable, biggest sectoral loser, down 0.43%. Volume toppers were Tata Steel, HDFC Bank, HDFC, SBI and Bajaj Finance. So these are some news for the Sensex. Now let me come back to the Nifty 50. So as you can see on my screen, there is a chart of Nifty 50 daily time frame, and you can notice one more line I have added. So if you go to our previous videos, I have marked this line as the support level, but the on the 12th April and then again till 23rd April, market was below this support line and has taken support here. So I have marked it as a support, and what was my expectations that market will take support now on this level. But if you go to the previous videos, you can check out that I have marked the support on this level. So I thought that the support level is not valid now, but seeing the conditions in the market, here market has taken support only, and again has taken support here also, and again taken support here and went up from here only. And I was expecting market to show an upward movement from here, but market has taken support at this level. So yeah, now we will be correcting ourselves and we will be giving respect to this support more than this support, because this support is more valid and more strong and has been tested more time, and Nifty has taken support more time at this level than this. So now we will be considering this as a stronger support, and market has reverted from here only. Okay, and we were expecting market to come down to here, but market has not come down to here, market has gone up from here. So now as you can see that market is at its resistance, near to its resistance, we can say just near to its resistance, and made an indecision candle to close the day. Means bulls were there, but they couldn't hold on to it. They couldn't hold on to the energy they were bringing in the market. And market ended up in an indecision where bulls and bears were fighting and there was nobody winning. But due to the gap up opening, we can probably say that bulls have won the day. Now what are the expectations on the Monday morning? So I have always told you that after such indecision candles, the momentum is very much expected, is very much likely, as now you can see market is at its resistance. So if on the Monday market happens to open the gap up, then also market will not be able to rally much. The reason is that market is at resistance, and it will take a lot of efforts from the bulls to break about the resistance. Okay, something like this. So this candle is also on the resistance, as you can see. This candle is also on the resistance, this is also on the resistance, this is also on the resistance. So you can see that the market has shown that it can go just above the resistance, but could not hold on to it, because you can see all the candles made right at the resistance are bearish candles, which gives us more and more evidence that this resistance is very valid resistance, and market will definitely feel the obstacle here. So as to same thing I am expecting on the Monday morning. Look, the thing is very clear, the day trading is very clear for us on the Monday. The thing is that market will definitely give us momentum on the Monday. Gap up opening the movement will be upside, but resistance is there, so market might face resistance here and will start falling. So I am hoping that in the next week market will face some resistance here and then will move to the support here. So what are the exact expectations from the Monday morning? If market happens to open gap up, listen to me carefully. If market happens to open gap up, then What are the expectations? The expectations are simple, that market will face resistance here and will get little bit consolidated near the resistance only. And if market opens gap down, then market will start its journey to the support level. Okay, so these are the intraday expectations. And what is more likely, if you would ask me, the more likely thing is that market will open definitely somewhere near here only and will get consolidated here only. That is the more likely event. What is the more likely event for the upcoming week? If you would ask me that, then I'm very sure that market will move to its resistance. So in the last week also, I have mentioned that market will move to its support zone, sorry, and market have given us momentum. The thing is that we were thinking that this support is more valid than this one, but market has proved that this support is more valid than this. That's why market has turned from this support itself. So now, once market is at its resistance, now the expectations are very clear, and I think you are also very clear as to what to do with the Nifty 50. Let me show you the momentum for the today on the hourly chart also, as to you can see. So here you can see the market has opened gap up. Has opened gap up, and then we have seen a little fall, then again a green candle, then again upside movement. And uh, the second thing is that the gap is created in the market. As you can see here, the gap is created, and again this gap is in the range, consolidated range gap. It is a common gap. It will be filled soon. So I hope now the expectations from the Nifty 50 are very clear. Now we will be moving to the Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty. Again, we can see here, right, as we can see, the indecision candle was there in the Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, we were not completely unsuccessful today, because in Bank Nifty, I have told you a trade based upon the opening, and the opening was a little gap up opening. So I hope you would have traded accordingly and would have booked a profit accordingly. But as to what are the expectations from the Bank Nifty, is that Bank Nifty is again, as we can see, is near its support only. It has not moved much. Let me show you this movement on the weekly chart also. As you can see, now the weekly candle is completed. It is resting here on its weekly support. Okay, it has not given us any momentum below the support level. From the last 2 weeks, the Bank Nifty is on its weekly support only. It is neither moving on the our daily support line, neither to the daily resistance line. It is resting right at the our weekly support. So if you were to ask me that what are my expectations from the Nifty 50, is that Nifty 50 will be getting little consolidated near the resistance before falling to the support. I am expecting that Bank Nifty will give us a little momentum of consolidation, and then Bank Nifty will again try to break down this support, this weekly support. Okay, so these are my expectations from the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty. Now let me show you how our stocks has performed that I have given you for the intraday. So first is Wipro. And Wipro, I have told you to be long, green candle, good profit. I think we can see. So the opening was 514, high made was 516. So not much movement, and previous closing was 490, 512, and 514 was today's opening. So not much profit yet. Yeah, good profits I think we had in the Wipro. And then the second stock was Hindalco. Hindalco, we had a great day. As you can see, the opening 390 went high to 404 and closed at 401. So yeah, good day in the Hindalco. So I hope you all of you have booked profit in the Hindalco. Good day in the Hindalco we had. And then again UPL was a little tricky, and it has acted completely for intraday traders, has given some good moves. So here is the opening for the UPL today. I have told you depending upon the opening, you have to take the trade. And yesterday's closing was 631 and today's opening was 634, and then again an indecision candle was made, so accordingly you could have short the stock. Then again an indecision candle made, then again a downside movement. So it was a good movement there in the Hindalco, in the UPL, sorry. So I hope you have trade according to this strategy of the indecision candle and would have made the good profit. So I hope all the three trades were good today. Especially Hindalco was really good. We have booked really good profit in the Hindalco. So I hope now you completely understood as to what are the expectations from the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty, because now I am extremely confident as our new support level that we have marked is a stronger one. So I'm hoping now you have understood complete the game about the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty, so you will trade according to that. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.